Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just filmed a quick little DIY. We reupholstered my mom's dining room chairs and I hope you guys enjoy this. What you're going to need is a staple gun, staples, fabric, and a flathead screwdriver. So you're going to want to remove all of the staples on your first chair. You're going to start off by getting any kind of fabric you want. I'm not sure how big the roll was that we got, but it was enough for 6 chairs. So what you're going to do is take fabric off of the first chair completely off. You're going to go ahead and lay it down on top of the fabric that you're wanting to use and then go ahead and trace that. What I did was leave an inch on each side just so we had a little bit of extra room. So we only ended up taking off the fabric off of one chair. On the other 5 chairs, we ended up just covering over the old fabric, and that just saved us so much more time. So you're going to take your chair base and place it on the fabric, and then you're going to start stapling. We pulled each side out of the middle and did about 3 to 4 staples in the middle. We didn't touch the corners yet, and we did that on all 4 sides. For the corners, you're going to want to grab the very tip of the corner, pull it back, and staple that in place. And then you're going to take each of the sides of that corner and you're going to fold them over really tight just to give it more of a clean finish. Once you have all of the fabric stapled, you're just going to take the black mesh that was on the old chairs and just staple that back into place. Go ahead and reassemble your chair and you're done. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.